You transition either from a project coordinator or a business, you used to write a business analyst and all the way to project manager or even program manager. But anyway, that feeling of knowing, hey, we have strategies and processes in place. But even though we have these in place, that doesn't mean that we can't disrupt those processes and strategies in place. But we have to have something. That's why it's important with that project charter of having a clear objective of what the next approach is. Point number 8. Listen, if you don't measure, or I should say, continuous monitoring, regular monitoring of your project performance against benchmarks ensures that you stay on course. And family, I couldn't leave without adding I'll say a point 0.5, 8.5, really adaptation and improvement. Being open to change improvement based on benchmarking results is super essential. I know a lot of people can get stuck in their ways, and matter of fact, I'll use a better terminology. We can get in our own way because, well, we ran this project like this, last year or 6 months ago. So why can't we use the same approach? Well, there may be different resources in place. There may be the environment may be different. So there's too many factors to always say, oh, well, we're going to just leverage what we did last year or last time, because it may not work or may not be applicable to the project that we're leading now. However, there's nothing to say that we can't use what we experience, which is wisdom or your lessons learned, and being able to take bits and pieces to see if it makes sense to be aligned.